Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by getting the essentials in place: Laravel, Node, and a secured Google Maps API key. Register the key in Google Cloud, enable Maps JavaScript and geocoding APIs so you can render maps and resolve addresses. Once done, add Google Maps API key to your env and reference it from config/services. PHP to avoid hardcoding. This ensures secure access and lets you iterate quickly. Make sure billing is enabled on the project because the API requires it for production requests. Now you wire the front end. Load the Google Maps JavaScript library with your key and create a map container in a Blade or SBA component. Use Axios to fetch location data from Laravel endpoints, then initialize the map with a center and zoom level. Add markers by iterating data, attach info windows for details, and debounce map events to limit requests. This approach separates concerns. Laravel supplies geocoded data while the browser handles rendering and interactivity, so updates are efficient and responsive. Finish by implementing server-side geocoding. Create a Laravel service that calls the geocoding HTTP API, parses coordinates, and stores them. Cache results to reduce quota consumption and queue heavy jobs to keep requests async. Expose a JSON endpoint for the front end and validate inputs to prevent malformed queries. Finally, test end-to-end, check Cloud Console for errors or quota spikes, and if maps fail, confirm API key restrictions, billing status, and console error messages. Those three usually reveal the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.